Welcome to our channel. If you want to clear cookies on Safari to improve privacy and fix website issues, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open Safari on your Mac or iOS device. On Mac, look for Safari in your Dock or Applications folder. On iOS, tap the Safari icon on your home screen. Step 2. On Mac, click on Safari in the menu bar at the top of the screen, then select Preferences from the drop-down menu. On iOS, go to Settings and scroll down to find Safari. Step 3. On Mac, click on the Privacy tab at the top of the Preferences window. On iOS, scroll down within the Safari settings to find privacy-related options. Step 4. On Mac, click Manage Website Data to see a list of all websites that have stored cookies and data. On iOS, look for Clear History and Website Data option. Step 5. On Mac, you can search for specific websites or click Remove All to delete all stored cookies and website data. On iOS, tap Clear History and Website Data to proceed. Step 6. Confirm your choice when prompted. On Mac, click Remove Now or Done. On iOS, tap Clear History and Data in the confirmation dialog. Step 7. Be aware that clearing cookies will log you out of most websites and remove saved preferences. You'll need to log in again to your favorite sites. Step 8. For ongoing privacy, consider enabling Block All Cookies in Safari's privacy settings, though this may cause some websites to function improperly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.